Hi friends, I got my new book today from Snapdeal. So this is a Snapdeal package and I am doing unpacking. Snapdeal is here. Everybody knows that. Okay, in India. So I'm very excited and it is again very satisfying feeling to unwrap something. And yes, now look the packing of the product is that they have tightly stick this thing. Yes, this is the book. So I'm gonna unwrap it again also, and I will find the first time the quality. I got this card also from the seller. Please give me 5-star positive feedback. Okay, this is the things we are looking, but it is hard. I have to get some hard things to do this thing to rip it up, but they have given very secure, very much secure packing, which I like most because they are just you know taking care of my money, and I have to think about it. They are taking care of my money also because I love books, and it is good that they have done it very safely. But oh my god, just a minute. It is not easy to unwrap. I'm just finding, oh my god, the tapes is too much hard. Too much hard. They have secured it very fast. Oh my god. I have to use full power for this wrapping, but I did it finally by the help of my pen. And I know that you are also excited like me. So look, this is the book, and this is very cheap on Snapdeal rather than Flipkart on, and you know I think it should not be old, but it is new. It's Murakami Kafka. Kafka. Sorry, Murakami Kafka. So this is very big book. Look how much it is big. It is very big, and I am very much happy to have it. Really, really, very much happy. This is the back of the book. Look, it is nice, and this is the front of the book. Now I will check. This is my first time Murakami book. Murakami is a Japanese author and he is world famous author, and oh my god, it is original. It is original, I never imagined, and it is new. It is really new. Look, it is original. It is original. I am happy. But it was in the stock, so the corners are blackish, so look like little bit old. But it's okay because I get it in very great deal. Around 200 rupees I have saved on this book, so from Amazon and Flipkart. So I really love this book, and I just want to tell you it has 600 pages. Oh my god, 600 pages in this books are there. So Kafka is a world famous book of Murakami. Everyone was reading, and now I am happy I got it. I will read it, and then I will give you a complete review about this book. And I love it to get it. And I just want to tell you the some kind of qualities, page qualities. You can watch it. It is phenomenal. It is exceptional. It is in very good Kafka book. You can read it easily. So let's see from a start. Kafka on the Shore is the first page of this book. Kafka on the Shore. You can see it. And the last page of this book is showing this thing, 115 pages, as you can notice that. So this is very phenomenal book. Murakami is a world famous author, and I will suggest you to please read his book. And I will suggest you, this is completely must read book, and buy it from Snapdeal rather than Amazon or Flipkart, because it is 200 rupees cheap and it is new. The printed price is 499 rupees, but I got around 220 rupees also. And there is 40 rupees. No, there is no, yeah, in 220 rupees there is no delivery. So look this book. It is new, but it is little bit dirty, but no, it is not bounded. I just bounded this book. It is not bounded. I just bounded this book right now. I was bounding it. Yeah, I did bounded this thing. I bounded this book, and this is phenomenal. Vintage is written here. So must read book is Kafka Murakami, which is incredible to read, incredible to understand. And I am finding the printing is original up to the mark. The top is original, same, and the original pages are not thin. This is the very good thing. These pages are not thin, no thin pages, original printing, and very good printing. This is my first book of 600 pages. I am very much excited to buy it because I am very much keen to know long pages book. I am very much die-hard person of big books like that. You are watching it. This is a most selling book and very good reviewed on Goodreads also. So I will say to you all, please read this Murakami book and please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel.